In this video, we are going to see that if some videos are age restricted on YouTube and you just want to watch that specific age group video that is called an adult video or a mature video due to some footages, some accidents involved in that. So it doesn't normally allow you or restrict the users to see that content. However, if you want to enable it, here's what you need to do. First of all, just head over to the bottom right hand corner, and from here we choose the settings option. Click on that, and under the general tab we click on that, and it says restricted mode is toggled on. So this helps hide potentially mature videos, no filters, 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this app on this device. So you make sure to disable that. But additionally, after that, you need to also visit the Chrome browser, and you just write family link YouTube, and you click on this families.google. You sign in, and from here, if you have set the child account, you should be able to adjust the access for the kids, because that might be restricting the videos on a specific channel. Maybe it's not that much of a mature video, but it's still restricting it because you have provided an access to a kid using a separate profile. So make sure you're using the right profile on the top right hand corner. But if you're a kid, your parents might have set those access and you won't be able to change it if they have applied parental controls from their ID and then created your account. So make sure of that it's not something like that. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.